In this video, I'm going to show you how to log someone out of your Snapchat account. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. If someone got access to your Snapchat account, there is easy way how you can log out that person from your account. So first, open up Snapchat, then hit at your profile picture or at your Bitmoji at top left corner. And then right here tap at gear icon. Next, here you have to find two-factor authentication, and here tap at forget devices. As you can see here, I got no other devices at that list, but if you got some, they will be shown right here, device name and then X button to delete that device. So all you have to do in that case, if you got a device here, just tap here at X icon next to device name to remove login data for that device and actually to forget it. Also, then you can go out of here, then tap add password, and here you can just change a password for your Snapchat account to ensure that no one have access to your Snapchat account. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.